AI tools that can help to grow your business is a new Chinese AI, Manus here. Manus is very interesting. Let me go to the Manus. Yeah, it's leave it to Manus. Manus is, I guess, Latin. I've heard about it. They said Manus means think, then do with your hand, like brain and hand. So thinking about it, not only thinking, it will help you to do it. So Manus is very general, and it's even more general than HubSpot's. And it's not only for business. Yeah, you can use it everywhere, but we're just talking about business. So it's not especially for email marketing, but you can analyze email marketing trend campaigns and ask Manus to handle your project. Manus is very powerful, but the point is, for now, you should avoid it because no one has complete access to Manus because you need invitation code. And there are not really complete and full tutorial for how to use Manus, but Manus will be good like this. You can just write it and it can go and handle a whole email marketing process with itself. This is what I can say about Manus, but if you want, I can make a video specifically about Manus and other videos.